Hey, good evening, everyone. My name is Gemma McAllister, and I just wanted to quickly get on here and show you how to get your virtual coupons and deals on your iPhone. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that via iPad because I'm shooting this on my iPhone because I tried to do it on my iPad, and for some reason my browser wasn't letting me shoot my my live. So hey Joe, how's it going? So anyway, what you're gonna want to do is download an app called Physical Web Bleesk. Okay, actually always allow. It is called Physical Web Bleesk, okay? And then there's also an app called Physical Web. It looks like this. If you click on it and you open it, click on it. Oh, it's because I'm touching the screen. Okay, if I click on it and open it, it's probably because I don't have my Bluetooth on. But anyway, let's turn my Bluetooth on. That would probably help. So the best way to do this, okay, is I'm going to show you really quick before dropping this. I had my case on here. You're going to want to, let me try to get this down like that. Okay. Pull it over and you're going to add it to your widgets. If you've ever noticed, all these little things here are your widgets, okay? You can add stuff to your widgets by customizing, okay? Now, you can do your little edit button here by clicking edit. Now, these little icons here, okay? Hey, Marianne. And how are you spelling flesh? Flesh. Bleak. No, it's actually no, it's not. It's hang on. Physical Web Bleesk. It's Bleesk. B-L-E-E-S-K, I believe. Hang on, it is, I gotta find it in here. There's so many of them, but you're gonna hit the little plus button to add it up there. So you're gonna hit the plus button to the ones you're gonna wanna add up to the top. So now that I found it, where did it go? I guess I didn't add it in there. So anyway, okay, so I added my physical web, but I'm going to add it to the top. So I'm going to move this to the top there. So you can see I'm adding this up like this, okay? So I used my physical web, and I'm going to hit done, okay? Now, these are for virtual coupons, and a lot of people are doing virtual coupons. Hey, Marcus. Because it saves you a lot of paper. So, oh, there it is. Physical Web Bleesk. Okay, there. Bleesk. You see that? B-L-E-E-S-K. Physical Web Bleesk. Now it says discover world of exclusive information just or around you. Now there's nearby, pinned, all offers. You can scan a QR code. So let's see. Oh look, I have one for anxiety, stress. Someone has like chronic pain, CBD oil one that's nearby me, and some other ones. So I've got 4 coupons that are nearby me. So you can check ones that are near. So anyway, but we're gonna show you how to do it that are a little bit faster, okay? So once you do that and add it, you're going to, sorry, they're gonna be in your physical widgets right here, okay? So a quick way to check your coupons, and once you've added it in there, they're going to be right in this location here, okay? And then once you click on it here and make sure that it's working. Yes, okay. So it's going to pull up. There we go. So this is someone who has their coupon of CBD oil, and I can save it if I wanted to my Apple or my Android wallet if I had an Android phone. Let's see, I could call the person. That's pretty cool. I could even share it on Facebook. It says I could share it on Facebook. That's pretty cool. I could even click this button. I don't even know what this is, but let's see what it does. It looks like it's taking me to their website, so I can get more information about their business. So that's pretty awesome. So I think that's pretty neat that businesses now have the ability to send you their coupons through your area. So just download those apps, and you don't have to go clipping them and wasting paper. It'll save you so much time by doing that. So I just wanted to give you that quick tip. I know that there is an Android version by clicking your nearby notifications and then also making sure your Bluetooth is on. And also there's like a blue diamond. I am ordering actually a Android phone, or not a phone but a tablet. I'm waiting for that to come in the mail. It should be here in the next couple of days, so I can show you guys how to do that because I only have iPhone products or Apple products and I'm trying to learn the Android iOS, so that's totally new for me. But anyway, I wanted to show you that this is a pretty cool little thing here. So technology nowadays is pretty interesting, and we should all be utilizing it and taking advantage of it. So like I said, download that app if you have an iPhone, and if you have an Android, just turn your turn your Bluetooth on and go and check your notifications in your nearby, because that's where your coupons usually are, because it comes native to it usually. So we've all just got to get used to using that, because that's where they're going to be. And I will talk to you guys soon and let people know about this, because it's going to save a lot of paper. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.